Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how to create a photo editor app in Android Studio. So let's get started. First you want to click on the link that I provided in the description. After that you will see a page like this, and as you can see here you want to click on download code button. After that the code will start downloading. As you can see, it will take you to the Google Drive, and this is the code that I provided, as you can see here. And you want to click on the download icon at the top right corner. You want to click on that. After that the downloading will start, and after downloading you will see a zipped file like this. As you can see on the screen, you will get a file like this. What you want to do is you want to extract it, and after extracting you will get a file like this, the extracted file, photo editor app file, and that is the source code. As you can see here, editor for me, that is the app name, and you can change that to whatever app name you want. And this is the folders that we want to use in Android Studio. So let's open Android Studio, and after opening Android Studio, if you have any previous project, means it will show like this. Otherwise it will pop up a small page where you want to select on open. After that you can select the path that you downloaded the source code. So if you opened any previous project, means here you want to click on the file icon at the above left side. You can see a file icon, and this code will run in 4.1 Android Studio and above. And after clicking on file, you want to click on open, and after clicking on open, let's select the path. So I kept my source code here, which we downloaded just now. That is the source code. So after that you want to click on OK. After clicking on OK, it will open the project. I opened the project previously, as you can see on the screen. This is the project and the main screen. You will see a source code like this. You can close these extra files which you not need now to open. So after closing them, first we want to change the package name. For that you want to click on the settings icon at the top. After clicking on that, you want to click on compact middle package, and after that the package name will be separated, com Dhruva photo editor. And here you want to right click on Dhruva and refactor rename, and it will pop up a small page where you can give whatever name you want to your project. Rename package, you want to click on that. And as you can see here, the package name is Dhruva. Now I'll change it to app, and after that you want to click on refactor, and after clicking on refactor your package name will be changed. Looking for usage, it will look for wherever the package name is used, and it will change that to app. So you want to click on do refactor at the bottom left corner. You can see renaming package com.dhruva to app, and as you can see the package name is changed to com app photo editor. Now we want to change the app name. Now the package name is changed, so let's change the app name. For that you want to click on string, and as you can see here, you want to change the app name here. I will cancel that and I'll give all-in-one photo editor. All-in-one photo editor. As you can see, the app name is changed. So now we want to do still two things. One is privacy policy and another is app icon. So let's download some app icons so we can change that. So you want to click on, or you want to open your Chrome, and let's type for photo editor app logo. And as you can see here, the results are front of us, and let's click on image, and the first logo is amazing, so I'll download that. Right click on save image as, and you can give whatever name you want for the icon to save, and this page will open up. As you can see, I downloaded the icon previously, so I'll not download it. If you click on the save icon, save button, means it will save the logo. So I downloaded it, so I will not save it again. So let's open Android Studio and right click on res, new, and image asset. And after that, as you can see here, this page will open up. Here you want to select you want to click on path, and you want to select your logo, and after that you can resize to whatever size you want. And the background layer, you want to click on the color, and you can select it to whatever color you want. I'll select white, and you want to click on next, and you want to click on finish. After that, the icon will be changed. So yeah, after clicking on finish, we want to generate the privacy policy, and we want to add that to the app. And this is the final thing that we want to do in the app. So you want to click on the main activity, as you can see here. After clicking on main activity, you want to scroll a little down, and here you can see privacy policy. Inside that double column, you want to paste your privacy policy link, which we will generate now. So for generating privacy policy, you want to open your browser, and after opening the browser, let's type for app privacy policy. And after searching for app privacy policy generator, you want to click on the first link, after clicking on the first link, it will ask for the app name. I'll give photo editor, and contact information, I'll give my email ID, and the personal identity information, I'll give email, and app type free, Android, and owner type individual, and I'll give my name, and it will ask for the third party application that I used. So I have not used anything in this app, so there is nothing like Firebase, nothing. So you want to click on next. After that, you want to click on privacy policy and deploy to Fly Cricket. You want to click on that button, blue button. After that, it will open a new page. And here you want to give your details like email ID and password, and after that you want to click on deploy policy and terms, and after that, as you can see here, it will start deploying. and after it is completed you want to click on the keep photo editor 33 flycricket.io. You want to click on that, and after that you want to click on maybe later. You don't want to give a single rupees for this app, so you want to click on maybe later. You don't want to give any money for this, and your privacy policy link is here. You can copy this and paste this in your windows, and you can see how it is looking. So I'll copy this and open it in Android Studio. I'll paste it in Android Studio. So this is the link. I'll copy from here and I'll go to Android Studio, and here you can see the privacy policy. You want to cancel that, and inside that double column we want to paste our link. So after pasting the privacy policy link, your app is ready to go. You can publish this in Play Store, and you can earn money. Like, you can do whatever with this source code. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram also. Thank you.